How to make passport size photos in Android is what we are going to see in this video. Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages and I'm back again with another awesome video. Normally we would need passport size photos for many purposes, and instead of going outside for it, we can make passport size photos in your Android itself. There are many passport photo apps for Android, but I will let you know the best passport photo app which allows you to make passport size photos in your Android mobile easily. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So the best Android app to make passport size photos which I'm talking about is Passport Size Photo Maker. So just head over to Google Play Store and search for Passport Size Photo Maker Android app and install it. Once installed, just click on open to open the app. You can see an option to upload new photo, but make sure that you have a photo with white background so that it would be easy to make passport size photos, which is applicable for many countries. As I don't have a white background photo right now, I'm using a sample photo so that I will be showing you how to use this passport photo app to make passport size photos. So click on new photo and you can use camera or gallery. As I have already photos in my gallery, let me choose gallery and choose one of the photo. Next click on start editing. And it shows two options like go for upgrade or continue with ads. You can go with continue with ads so that we can go for passport photo editing and print multiple copies. So that is enough for us. So click on continue with ads. And in the below you could see a scale so that you can adjust the degree, or you can even have a mirror effect by clicking on this mirror button. So adjust the scale such that you are satisfied with the photo and click on done on the top. And it shows various sizes and based on your country. So on the top, search for your country and choose for what purpose you are making this passport photo. Let me go for PAN card for India and click on I understand. It shows how does the photo look like. Next, adjust in such a way that it fits the head and chin position carefully. Next, click on done button. Here it shows lot of options to edit the photo, and one of the options is like brightness, contrast and many more. Even if you want black and white photo, just click on saturation option and make it to -99. Otherwise let it be like this and click on done button. And it looks for that and it shows photo size and background color. As I already told, make sure you have a white background photo. Click on save. It says whether you want to remove background or skip. For this case, I want to just skip it. Give the name for your passport photo and make sure that you have a .png itself so that the image will be of high quality. You can see an option called add border on the image. Just click on add border and you can select the border color, something like red, blue, black. So let me choose black color. And you can even set the border size like this. Let me go for somewhat thin and click on done. Click on save button. You could see that photo has been saved to gallery, and below you could see an option called print multiple copies. Just tap on that. So let me go for somewhat first option like for 9 to 10 copies, and you could even rotate it so that you could see multiple copies. So just click on save. So give some name like sample multi and go for PNG for best quality and click on save photo. Now you could see that these photos have been saved in the gallery. So in order to open passport photos, just click on passport photos and you could see single image as well as multiple images. So now you can print the photo directly or you can share to WhatsApp or Facebook. So this is one of the best passport photo app for Android which allows you to make passport photos easily. Hope you like this video. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video, and if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest videos. See you soon.